Hi, welcome to Nat Nook's Florals. Today we're going to be making a really beautiful bridal bouquet in this really fun color palette of these blues and some peachy color. We'll use these cool dahlias, anemones, spray roses, and just create a shape we like with kind of a crossing pattern. If you take the stems and you cross them, I will show you. You will create a looser bouquet than just putting them in a circle around each other. Okay, let's get started. So you will start with 2 stems, like I am doing here with these spray roses, and you will just create an X, and then as you add a flower, just feed the flower through the 2 original flower stems to the other side, and then just turn the bouquet and work your way around, constantly feeding a stem through to the other side. And this will create a much looser bouquet than if you just tightly add the flowers in a circle around each other. So again, just feed the stem across that V or X of those original 2 stems, and then constantly feed it to the other side. It will really create a beautiful looser bouquet. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for weekly DIY videos on all things flower arranging.